Hey guys, I'm Kid here. Today I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to make a Neuro style bass. Neuro. It's becoming like very popular again. It's very trending right now. Recently Crow was using it in his recent EP, so if you guys haven't checked that out, I'll post a link down in the description of his SoundCloud so you guys can check it out. He's making some awesome tracks. So if you guys want to like check out some of Crow's stuff, just do so, man. It's really awesome. But anyways, let's start by opening some Serum here and just do a really awesome Neuro bass here. So it's very easy actually, the bass. So it's just here you go into your analog, just choose a basic wave. So you pick a sine wave for your thing, and then you go here to your noise oscillator and just choose bright white. So it's gonna give you this sound. Obviously you have to turn down the oscillator. So what are you gonna hear? It's only the sub, but then you just like fully distort it, like. And what gives it that narrow sound is when you press, for example, two really close keys. You can also like enable the multiband. And that's basically it. We can also like add a bit of a vowel tone to this just by like adding an EQ here with a slow, very slow. So then what I like to do is just like add just a teeny bit of post-processing here, for example a phaser, just like a really, with not too much wetness, like, just to give it that Skrillex tone but not like overwhelm it. Then I like to add the OTT just because OTT is always awesome, it's always great to have. So then we can add an EQA just to remove some of these frequencies over here, just like with a very narrow, very open. Just something like that, and just like boost the high end. Maybe like here, the mid to 100s, you can also take a peak. Well, it's a notch, not a peak, I'm sorry. Then we can just like distort it with some saturation here. So just like +9 dB soft clipping. And that's how you do it. This is how you make a narrow, very distorted narrow bass. It's very simple actually. So I want to give props to Crow for actually using this again. Virtual Riot as well has been like recently using it in his recent track. So it's something that's like sort of doing a comeback. But anyways, I hope you guys found this very interesting, very helpful, and yeah. Hope you also guys like this new style of videos. Always remember to read the description. There's a lot of fun things in the description, sponsors, free content, you name it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Until next time.